Everybody, oh, hey, the thicky. Yeah. I'm Peter Marco's journey. Almost forgot about this one. Need to be at it. So here I am. Hi. Okay. All right. A couple things. After that, I gotta make that list for you guys can order for me. Appreciate that. Thank you. Uh, some things are really, yeah. Okay. Second of all, now just for my report, I had to reach out one last night. I think I've talked about this on the short because she's complaining about her high electric bill, feeling a lot of stress. Well, I told her, you gotta calm down. You gotta calm down. Because with stress can cause heart attack, death. She has children, I think. So that's not good. Otherwise, children could become foster children. Orphan. Yep. So don't do that. Don't. That's my advice here. Don't stress yourself out. You'd have a heart attack. Same with shock. Don't. That's what happened with my fiance who died back in 2004. That March, she died. And find out till after a week. Too late. She was already buried and all that. Nobody told me anything. You need to keep in touch. If your fiance to die, you're supposed to tell parents or siblings in case you're going to die. You have to have somebody to inform you. Say, hi Marco, I have some news for you. Your fiance died. You have to do that. But they didn't do anything. It's a long story with that one. I think her parents didn't like me. Well, anyway, so I'm telling you all, stay healthy. Don't die too young. Too many people I know lately died too young than when I was younger. I'm thinking like, let's say, 5 years after high school. How many I knew that? 1, 2, 3. That's already too many. 3. The one I took rapping class, he died of cancer. And 3 years after I graduated. Another classmate was killed in a car accident 2 months after graduation. One of my first girlfriends from the deaf school, she died of a heart attack. The one of fiance wasn't until 2004, that's 20 years after she graduated in 1984. I'm 83. Now, I've lost count, but I assume 20. Roughly 20 people have died. With those 3 yet. One of my old schoolmates from the deaf school, he died. Gunshot wound. Accident, they say. Then there's Another deaf girl from that same school, she died. And the obituary this year I saw, oh man, so many have died, I know. No, I don't think it's 20, I think it's more like 50. 50 people I knew died from the school, both schools, mostly the deaf school. So one of my mainstream schools left. My class, already 1, 2, 3, the one who died of cancer 3 years later was underclass of mine. Graduated 84, but she died 86. For my class, that's three female. I like the 2 of the 3. 2 have died. The one hit by a car, that's the class of 84. Before he became senior, just about 3 weeks before, supposed to start school, he crashed to a tree. Just 2 years ago, I saw the tree is still crooked. It's like you punch, it leaves a scar on that tree. Feel bad for that tree, but he lived. The impact was that hard. It bent the wood and died. But it recovered nicely. Like a broken bone, you would have that. Let's see, anybody else? Oh yeah, one of my classmates who loved snowmobiling, he died just last year. Yep, last year. So, stay healthy, everybody. That way you can live long to see your grandkids. I mean, because I didn't have a wife to have kids. Ladies, what are you doing? Oh, you're too old. I was 20. Excuse me. That's what they told me at age 20. My brother was right there at a church. That's why I don't go to that church anymore. Because of that attitude. Forget him. So that's why I went another. And they find it all mad. Same was in Columbia. It was all mad. Yep. Standing down here. Male, 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 the 2 brothers. Male, another male who's new. So, all male except for 1. Female. She's married. He has a 13-year-old daughter. So that's last year. 14 now, I think, maybe 15. So, it's male. It's always bad, Tommy. Always bad for me. The Baptist church up north, not North Syracuse, that's the one that was all male. The Liverpool, the King James. The only one guy my age was the rat. They used to have an interpreter. I admit I like her. But from high school, yes, I remember. But she never was my personal interpreter. There was other interpreter. I was very comfortable, really happy with those interpreters. They were great interpreter. Never with her. And because of her, my mom was mad. Oh yeah. And I was upset. Why you gotta go roller skate in Bowenville? Wow, I'm living out Fairfield. It's a long way for my mom to drive. 45 minutes. Highway. And 690. 41 and 690. All the way out. One outside Portsmouth or Pirate's Gate closely. Yeah. She lived 5 minutes from Empire's Gate West. I finally went out there, because my mom, then I drove a few years later when they came back. And they're gone again. The owner died. Shortly after I last saw him. He died of a heart attack. Brilliant guy. I go into his office all the time. Free admission. Anyway, no. The one in Florida, I went for the first time because it was a hurricane that weekend. They still had church, and guess what? No deaf people. In Millbrook, in Aiken, there were only 3. A couple, another guy, his wife didn't come. So that's 2 couples. They told me there used to be 20 deaf people. I missed the boat. I always missed the boat. The boat. The one in Florida. 2 interpreters. I can see they were interested in. But my sister was leaving. I didn't have time to get their phone number. Ugh. It would be nice to stay with them. They're both Hispanic. But you never know, they're illegal. I don't know. So it wasn't the right timing. So, ugh. Well, that's all I can say for now. You gotta live your life, no matter if you always will end up with these problems. Just forget it. Just move on. There's other boats you can catch. You gotta miss a lot of the boat. God bless.